Alright guys, so we're at the fireside. We are at the fireside and that's the fire. With some nice and what do you call it?
Smoke.
Yeah, well, good some good fuel, yeah. The more they have good fuel. And this is a roast pan. This is a roast pan, and you say you
have to punch some holes.
You have to punch some holes so that the
fire comes.
Okay.
Otherwise, the fat from the cashew gonna melt and pack up here.
Okay.
So you want it to come fast, and now you
put the holes.
You put the holes.
All right. So that's our little kind of grill.
Right.
All right. All right. So guys, we're gonna roast cashew. All right. That's cashew. Right now, that's probably about what? 3 dozen. 3 to 4 dozen. Oh man, good. Alright, stay tuned guys, we're gonna eat cashew shortly, watch it.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and I just want to thank you for always coming back to watching my videos. Today guys, we have a very interesting video and we're talking about cashew, and also we're with Mr. Gale from my Island Jamaica, and guys, we're going to work together and we're going to talk about the cashew, and we're going to roast cashew, and we're going to do everything pertaining to this nut guys. So guys, stay tuned, remember to subscribe, go over to my Island Jamaica, check out his videos guys. He has some very interesting videos on different types of fruits, Jamaica on a whole. So I know that you would enjoy his videos. Miss Isaiah, she is the lovely lady that is going to take us on our cashew tour, and then guess what the surprise is? She's going to roast some cashew for us. You don't want to miss this guys, so stay tuned. Yeah man, because me love chat Jamaican, me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania.
So guys, this is Miss Isaiah. Hello Miss Isaiah. Come Miss Isaiah.
Hello.
Man. This is, right?
Yes.
Cashew, the cashew. We're gonna learn about cashew today. Alright? And those are the cashew trees. This is one right here, a little bit closer. She's gonna tell me about cashew. Sharing all her knowledge and experience of cashew here in Brompton, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Alright? So right now,
that's the young cashew.
That is a young cashew. So this is the cashew tree guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. You can see it, it's blowing, the wind is heavy. Alright, so this is alright, so this is a blossom here. Alright, and those are cashew. You're seeing there. This is another younger one, young one here. And this is a this is a fruit. Alright, so alright, so
this is the cashew fruit.
This is the cashew fruit. Hold it right there, so. Alright?
The fruit.
That's the fruit.
Yes.
And this is the cashew.
This is the cashew nut.
And this is you would say this is a ready cashew?
Right.
Ready to eat?
Yeah,
meaning the fruit
can be eaten now. And the seed roasted after.
Alright, so which takes us to the next point. And I don't know if Tania have any questions for you, but tell me, how do you eat the cashew? Typically, from your experience with cashew here, we are familiar with this.
Right.
And the nut in this. But this is what you are familiar with. How do you use it?
This can just ring out like this and you eat it.
Oh, so
otherwise we squeeze it and use milk and dragon. Some people use wine and make cashew juice.
Ah, yeah. You mean like a blend it out?
Yes, and otherwise this can do cashew jam too. You slice it up like this and boil it with sugar. You get a nice jam, can go on bread and crackers. Very nice.
Cool.
Yes, like a guava jam. You see a guava jam in a supermarket?
Yes.
That's how it's gonna look.
Alright, so for the benefit of our viewers, tell us, what does it taste like when you do? What does cashew taste like? The juice, yes.
The juice is nice.
Or the jam?
For me, it have a little stain. The juice has a little stain. That's why they put like maybe a little rum or wine to kill the stain. But if you are following the benefit of it, you don't mind the little stain.
But so that's how you prepare it, Miss Isaiah?
Yes.
Okay. Tell us about the nut now.
The nut now. The other day somebody was saying that they use it to make cashew cheese, but I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one, but we just roast it and have it like that. Roast it, take it out of the trash, like this hard trash, and eat it.
And guys, we're gonna see Miss Isaiah live in action roasting cashew. Stay tuned for that too. All right. So I learned though that the cashew here has a chemical in there.
Yes, that
is a little bit toxic.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
Well, what I do when we are roasting them, I put on maybe gloves or plastic bag to strip it, because if you strip them, I strip a lot, they're gonna strip the skin, they stain your finger like, and then in a few days my finger, the skin, the stop layer would have stripped off.
And God help you if you put it in on your mouth like that too, right?
Yes. But you know, I see some young people now, they cut it into like this, take it out and they strip it and eat it.
You mean raw?
Yeah. And say healthier, but I didn't try it. Because I don't want the chemical that is on that part to touch anywhere here.
Because it's gonna burn and give you the bumps and eyes too. That kind of allergic reaction.
Of course. So I didn't try it, but I see persons do it.
So when does it burn a lot? When it is dry or green?
When it's dry.
When it is dry. So it is dry now.
Yes, but it's still in there, at oily thing.
Okay.
It's in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So until it is roasted.
You're gonna it's roasted, you know, you still have a little of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, a little of it is still.
Okay.
And the trash itself. Even when you're roasting them, you're gonna see how that thing catch up the fire and make after the fry.
And it
that oil.
Yes. I'm asking you because you're the expert, but we're not very naive to cashew, because I grew up with a little bit of that. We used to get cashew. One of my, I'm not gonna say my favorite fruit, but it's something that I love. For me, it's almost like a little delicacy. But we're always weary of that burn there, because it burn you like hot chocolate.
Even when you're roasting and it prop.
Yeah.
And anywhere that look prop the thing, it would leave like water bumps here. You know, like oil in the pot and it prop on your hand. That's how the fat would prop anywhere it touch you.
Guys, I know some of you right now watching and you know about that. So tell us, share your experience with us right now in the comments with cashew. So anyway, I was gonna say that we used to use it as well when we playing marble. Yes. Marble. Yeah, you know that? You know about
man, marble and cashew, you put a couple of these in the ring and use the marble to lick them out.
You used to do that too?
Yes.
Okay.
My brothers do this, they used to.
But we don't see that anymore, huh?
No, too much tablet and all of that. Take away those.
Alright, so what about, alright, so this one, we go back to this one. So these are three beautiful ones here.
Yeah. Those are very much fantastic there now, you know, but not like that. You have to open it or hit it.
So these not quite ready yet?
No.
Okay.
But this part would have to get big.
Young.
Those are very.
It has to be what?
Bigger. Big like this are bigger.
So this part here.
Right. That's the part that grows.
Gonna get bigger and yellow when it's ready to pick.
Right. Either yellow or pink.
Yellow or pink.
Well, you know, this one would be yellow.
But these here look nice and round and healthy.
The nuts grow faster, so the nuts are almost there, but the fruit part now would have to get bigger for it to be ready.
Okay, cool. And this is the leaf, guys. It grows like a I would say almond tree.
Tree almost, right?
Almost not as tall, but it's usually very wide.
Some of them can be very tall. The reason why this may be not so tall, a lot of trees, so it keep pushing it back.
Okay.
They can be very tall. They have tall ones out there.
And let's say I'm interested in growing cashew. Maybe not commercially, but have a cashew plant, a tree in the backyard. How do I get it?
It's easy to get.
How do I plant it?
It's simple because it drops right here now and it can grow. This can drop and grow. As simple as it is.
Which part would grow?
It grows from here, right here, it's gonna burst open under here. And then it send out the little plants. So it grow easily.
Okay. Cool. Alright, so that's cashew. We're not done yet, guys. There are more cashew on here. I'm gonna show you some more. But you mentioned also that there is you have different colors cashew?
Yeah, you have red meat, And that one, no, that one wouldn't red, that have a pinkish look.
Alright, let's go to that one and take a look at that one.
This is yellow as well.
So this is a yellow one. I see one that looks like, one second, Miss Isaiah. So this one looks like it's not so good, huh?
No, those are spoiled.
Spoiled. So not even, oh, come on, hold this for me, Miss Isaiah.
Yeah, those not good.
Hold it here for me. Alright, so these, so the fruit is not, the fruit shrink, but what about this? Wouldn't this be good?
Those not looking good either. Maybe both of them are not good. And some of the times those parts are good.
Alright, well I'm gonna pick it. Let's see. We're gonna bring it to the over where we're gonna roast it, guys.
Right,
I'm gonna and I'm gonna prove to Miss Isaiah that these are good.
Maybe. let me shake one of them.
You hear
Can
it?
I almost say not good.
They're not good.
It feel light.
I'm not sure. I keep it for
It feel
souvenir.
light. They have we call them jaggy.
Jiggy. Okay. There's a nice see a nice one here though. See a nice one here, Miss Isaiah.
Yes,
This one ready, right?
Okay. That is okay.
We can pick this one too?
Yeah.
Pick
Yeah,
it, man.
sure.
Are you want Tania to pick it?
Oh, which one? The fruit?
Yeah.
fruit.
Everything.
So the fruit can be eaten on the spot?
Yes, that can be eaten.
But
Alright.
the thing about this, it look a little bit green. This
The
can
seed.
still be roasted?
Yeah, that can still be
As long as the fruit here is ripe. Alright, so
can be roasted.
let me see the expert.
But the ripe right is the sweeter.
Let's see. But that one is ripe, right?
Right.
In fact, it's riper than that one.
Right.
Alright, so
it
let's
might have a little more stain.
Tania is a fruit expert. She knows about fruit. so she's gonna taste
No,
now.
wash it up a little
She's gonna taste now and tell us what it tastes like, guys.
Alright.
So let's say, so I'm an American. I know nothing about Jamaican food.
It's a little bit tangy. It has
Call
a
it stainy.
a tangy, stainy taste. So when you taste it, it's it give you that stainy feel inside of your mouth.
Is there a particular American fruit that you could relate it to? Can't find
American
one.
fruit?
Yeah. You might have to put in a call now. All right.
The thing like I would say stain is like some guineps. Or a local guineps.
Okay.
Sometimes I don't like the taste of some of them. Some of them is stainy. Right.
Okay. All right. So that's it. That's that. Which one are you gonna show us? The purple one?
That one there.
What is it again? Purple?
No, a pinkish.
Blue? Pinkish? Okay. All right.
So guys, look at this. This is called it's stinking toe, right?
No man, I'm thinking too. Come on, Tania, you're Jamaican. You're Jamaican.
So this is a thinking toe. Maybe Miss can share some information on the thinking toe. Right, this can be eaten as well.
You just use a stone or anything heavy, brush it, and you'll clean it and eat it.
And actually, I'm doing an entire series on Jamaican fruit. So we're gonna come back for this one.
Okay.
Yes, we're gonna come back. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. That's a stinking toe. All right. So the pinkish one you said no.
Yeah,
So let's
right there.
come on, little. So Miss Isaiah, this is the pink one.
Yes.
All right, guys, look up. It's a little high, but that's the pink one. That's the pink one.
You have some of the color, but it's not that red.
That's it. That's the pink one. Now we're gonna try and see if we can.
But the stick don't have anything there.
No man, you just touch him and him drop.
Oh, touch him and him drop.
Then easy to pick.
Ah, okay, cool.
Right.
All right, you're right. All right. Picking cashew, guys.
My
Careful.
God.
Don't get too
I hurt
excited.
myself.
All right, so this is the pink one. This look nice. All right, hold on.
Those are sweet cashew.
These are sweet cashew. Look cute too. So, Miss Isaiah, this now is the pink one. Is there any noticeable difference, whether it's in taste or apart from the look, this is pink, a little more pink? Is there any noticeable difference between the two? The pink, this is the first one.
Right, that's the yellow meat.
The yellow meat,
Right.
and this is the pink meat.
Right.
Is there anything apart from the color?
Not really. I guess the taste is the same.
The taste is okay.
Right. I think the taste is
And
the
the juice
same. The same thing.
Juice it the
Alright,
same.
let me try this one.
Okay,
But
alright.
sometimes you get them a little sweeter.
Okay.
Right?
Alright.
Okay, so this one is not that stainy.
Because
Oh.
that ripe. Yeah.
You wrap up.
Oh, so it don't give you that stainy feel in your mouth.
Okay.
Yeah, this is sweeter.
Okay.
This is way sweeter
Alright.
than
Alright.
this
I
one.
think I like the pink one too.
Yes.
I'm gonna discriminate. I like which one you like? Which one? I get the feel you prefer the pink one to me. That's why you were telling me about the pink one down the road.
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna eat it, guys. So let me show.
Brighter color, we call them red meat.
Eat, man.
Redder than those.
Yeah.
So we
pull
always
it.
Pull
call
it
them
out?
red meat. And them
No man, let me pull it out. Say that again, miss.
we always have some that is redder. The
Turn.
skin is redder.
Where you want to
So we
turn?
always say, I want the red meat one.
This one.
Yes, so
Alright.
the fruit is redder than that.
Yes, I think that.
Sweeter.
Yes. And there's something about fruit that have richer color. If I'm not a fruit expert, but I know that they always mention that the darker or the richer or the brighter the fruit, the more nutritious. So is anybody, any of you guys watching and know about that stuff? Tell us too. We want to learn. Anyway, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna break this. Alright, I'm gonna break this and we don't wash it, we just eat it same way, alright? Nothing on the way, alright? So we eat it from a little boy and we're not dead yet, right? Closer to nature. Alright guys, so this is it. One more thing I need to mention actually before. I learned that unlike most other fruit, because a fruit really usually has a seed in it.
Right.
That's my understanding of a fruit. There's a fruit in the outer part and there's a seed inside it. Now, the difference with the cashew is that the fruit is peripheral to this. Alright? So or auxiliary they call it. So it has two fruits. This is the fruit. But inside here, inside here is a nut or the seed, but it also has another fruit which is this. So I think they call it auxiliary fruit. So learning for you. I bet you didn't know that. Tell me, drop it in the comment.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is how we do it anyway. We're gonna break it out, turn it around, and there's juice dropping on my hands, right? Juice dropping on my hands. And I'm gonna devour this thing here now. It's a little soft. If you squeeze it, it don't burst as much because the outer layer is a little, it's thin but it's stiff. So it's more likely to, it's more likely to squeeze and to burst. But I'm gonna use my teeth.
Juicy.
This one good.
Explain the taste?
Why I don't know. I don't know, but it's sweet, guys. It's sweet and it's good for you.
Oh, the one here free. Okay? Yeah. Oh, okay. Why this one not dropping?
Oh, no, ripe it.
Feel him.
You want to taste it?
Soft and nice.
Alright. This one is a nice fat one.
These
are the ones, guys, when we played marble, want to get this one. This kind here. This kind here, man, is the real deal. Alright. I'm gonna give this one to Ven. That's for you, Ven. Are you drinking so? Hold on. Oh, you find the furnace?
Where?
You find the furnace? Yes, sir. Under the cashew tree, we have a year. Yeah, years when I see this. See there? See it there? See it? Under the cashew tree. All right. One egg. Yes, man. One egg. See the furnace, guys. See the furnace there. Yeah, years when I see that. All right. Good. So we have a side discussion here, guys, and we have to capture that. Tania has a question.
Alright, so what I wanted to find out, why is it that the bees, they're eating the cashew fruit on the ground?
It's the juice they want from it, not really the fruit itself. The water, you don't call it the juice?
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Now remember, bees, anywhere water is, bees will be going there. So the cashew juice now, anywhere the cashew they under the tree.
Yes. That
They are
was
there.
Because it's sweet.
Yes,
Okay.
maybe naturally not sweet, but just the liquid, the water from
Okay.
it.
Oh my God! No, look over your head! Look over your head!
I'm a scream.
Move from this, huh? Move. You sure like you're going to jump? Guys, we didn't expect this. Look at that. That's a green lizard. Alright, not to scare you, but that's a green lizard. We're afraid of them here. This one came right in the camera, came into the show. So let me show him to you. That's him. That's him. That's him.
Can you closer?
Huh?
Can you closer?
Oh yeah, one with that.
Chad, my name jump on.
You don't jump on yourself, you wouldn't
Alright.
God.
That's the prize one. There it is, guys. There it is. Alright, you pick it?
Yep.
Nice. Hold it in your hand for everybody to see. This is the best of the lot, guys. This is a big one. Yeah, man, and this is a nice one. Alright, so this is a fruit. We're gonna go back to base and we're gonna show you how we roast this thing here. For you to get the cashew that you know, the one that you get in the supermarket. So this is the fruit, and this is the seed, this is the nut. The nut is inside here actually. So back to base, and we're gonna show you how we roast it. Stay tuned.
We roast expensive fruit.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, so clearly this is a full farm. Because we spot our egg down there. And look at this. Look at this. Alright, we're not gonna trouble him or her and leave him, but I wanted to show you that. That's a fowl here in the back of on the bushes. The back of the house. Yes. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, we are at the fireside and that's the fire. With some nice and what do you call it?
Smoke.
Yeah, well, some good fuel, yeah. Them would they have good fuel. And this is a roast pan. This is a roast pan, and you say you
have to punch some holes.
You have to punch some holes so that
the fire comes.
Okay.
Otherwise, the fat from the cashew gonna melt and pack up here.
Oh,
so you want it to come faster now. You
put the holes.
You put the holes.
All right. So that's our little kind of grill.
Right.
All right. All right. So guys, we're gonna roast cashew. All right. That's cashew. Right now, that's probably about what? 3 dozen. 3 to 4 dozen. Oh, yeah, man, good. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna eat cashew shortly. Watch it. Okay, so all right, come this way. You know, so. All right, so what you see is this for now, miss?
The ashes and that blazing. You don't want them to burn. You're gonna throw this to out the flame and take it off.
Okay.
Right.
All right.
Because if some of the time if you make them blaze out too much, they burn. Right. Like those that we picked today, you wouldn't put them in those.
Why not?
Because they're gonna harder to roast. Take a little longer time.
Oh,
to roast.
because them kind of green.
Dry, right?
Oh,
those kind of greenish.
Oh, so you actually dry it first. Or I put it down first.
Pick them and put them down. But normally, who have a lot, like who persons who selling them, they put them, they sun them. Put them in a sun maybe 3 days or 4 days to dry out.
Oh, so there's a method to it.
Yes, because they will rot.
Oh, so pick it. So you pick it when the fruit is ripe.
Right, and the seed look dry as well.
And the seed look dry.
Yeah,
and
but
then
you're gonna put it to sun again.
Put it in the sun. Literally, I just put it in a room temperature.
Right.
In the sun.
In the sun, man.
Literal sun.
Literally sun to dry them some more. And maybe persons would be keeping them even for next year then. Why they put it in the sun. But if you just pick them, put them down, they might rot.
Oh,
easily.
Okay.
So you want to make sure them dry. Because the fruit can be very ripe and the seed still greenish.
Okay. Alright, how long does it take to I know that I noticed it turn the color changing of it. It's burning now, but
And it's watery.
Right.
That's a poison?
The fat. It's not poison. I don't think it's poison.
Oh. You were telling me about something on the inside.
Yes, that's the fat then.
Okay.
Yes.
But it is, yeah man, well it
But
is,
it burns your
it burn,
skin.
yeah.
Oh, so that means that cashew can make oil.
I'm wondering. Perhaps
Because if it's the fat.
Yes, I'm pretty sure.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure. And it started to smell, guys, it started to smell the cashew flavor.
Yes.
So, in fact, if you know anything about cashew...
Oh, so it's
Yeah. So some liquid there coming out.
Right.
Yeah,
And
so...
that one can burn a real.
Yeah, that would burn you, and so you have to be careful. Alright, so if I know... So you notice that myself, I have a long stick. There's probably a reason for that, guys.
I don't want to get near it.
Yeah, but we want to find out from you too, for those of you who are familiar with Aki online. Tell us, you know anything about the
Cashew.
what you call it again?
Cashew.
Cashew cashew oil.
Right.
Is there anything as cashew oil? In fact, I'm gonna check on that. Alright, so you oh man, this is getting interesting. So there's smoke, but the smoke is coming from the cashew now.
Yes, the
It's not the wood.
No. See the
Right. Woo! Alright, so don't try this at home. if you're gonna do this, you need experience. Oh, so that's where you know. Oh man, so that's oil actually.
Right.
Alright, Tania's running, guys. You need to throw is it now you put the thing on the mid?
Yeah, them can't wait till it's more.
Oh, so you expect this to happen?
Yes, man.
I didn't know that, man. It's a serious fire. Oh, because it's literal oil, you know.
Yes, it's oil.
So it's flammable.
So you
The
can make cashew oil.
guys, be careful. Cashew oil is flammable. Alright, so she's running for the
Ashes.
The ashes. Ah! You should take some picture, right? This is how we roast cashew in Jamaica.
You know, like those persons who do cashew in a tin or something, you know they are roasting, but I feel kind of roasting.
This is where we're roasting.
Yes, this is our roasting.
This is dangerous kind of roasting, it look like.
Those persons who produce cashew, they have other ways, I guess that.
Okay, but this is how we do it. This is how you know how to do it
Yes.
at a local, normal, average man
Yes.
level. Right now?
I know somebody else in my area that does it, and so then do it and use
Oh,
gloves.
so interesting that you had the ashes
from the
ready
wood.
before.
Right.
So what if somebody watching the one want to try but they don't have no ashes?
Right.
It's the first they're gonna do it.
Maybe you can use dirt,
Oh, okay.
but you have to have something. But
Something
yes,
to-
So out the fire.
Yeah.
Yes, because I know somebody in the same area that where I was coming from there.
Yeah.
And they do it for selling, marketing just the same way. And they would come and ask for ashes. Anywhere they get the ashes, they would actually
Oh,
right.
okay,
So
okay.
this will help to even suck up the oil
Okay,
as well.
okay. That makes sense.
Right.
Alright. So, almost ready.
Yes, that is almost already.
So we have to make it cool though. We can't ever dare if we go try it.
Let me try one.
Alright, so
Bird curry.
oh, bird
Try
curry.
them, but when I was a kid, I used to cook it and eat it.
Okay.
You say can't eat.
Yes, bird eat it, but we can eat it too.
How it is?
Well, they have this little steady slimy taste, but
No,
as a kid,
I remember a video that I did with a gentleman from Hamden. And the gentleman mentioned that it can be eaten actually. Yeah man. He said it can be eaten. He said whatever the birds eat, you can eat.
Not just that.
You believe that?
I don't believe that.
birds, you know, go find them. There's something there. Them they are better something to eat, you know.
Yeah.
But two we don't eat it. But they're not hurting or anything.
Yeah. As the old lady would have said, what they call it? And the fertilizer they call it.
The chemical that go on them.
No, not the chemical. They have a name for it. I don't remember now.
Alright. So
Anyway.
how long now you wait until this is ready?
You can't bash no man.
Okay. So about
As long
5
as you have
minutes.
things that can hold it.
Alright, so hold on, mister. Okay, so is there a special way you do this
Yeah, I
one?
guess. I did my way. I saw other persons would turn it around like this and do it from this side.
Okay.
Whoa.
So it's a tedious process, man.
Right?
Alright,
So this is what now you're gonna take off.
Oh, it's still hot.
so
Yes,
Tania-
inside. You can do that this way.
Alright, hold on, sister. Take a picture.
So how you know when this is ready to eat?
That is ready now. That's the cashew seed itself. That's the nuts. That's already.
I brought
Okay.
the seed.
Okay, that's fine. Alright, so Tania having the first taste. See the taster today. See the expert food taster. So, yes.
It tastes like the original cashew, not like the one that you would taste into the store.
Right.
But this would be the original taste,
Yes,
you know?
yes.
Yes, definitely.
yes.
Because even when you buy fruits and nuts, those cashew don't taste
We see.
like this.
Yeah.
And those,
It
I guess
tastes
those have to
dry.
preserve it.
Right.
Have to put stuff to preserve
so
it.
they don't taste this.
This is the real deal.
Yes.
Alright.
What we does now when we do this, like if we are doing a lot for overseas, we do them like this. We put them in something maybe like a waiter or something to keep them out, and then you sun them. You give them some little sun
Some more
again.
sun?
Yes.
Okay.
And they get harder, so they can preserve up to a couple months well.
Okay.
Yes. You put
And then
them in the sun to dry them a bit. And after you dry them, you send them
Okay.
overseas or
Package it and-
anywhere. Yes, they keep
Alright.
longer.
Cashew, guys. Cashew. Cashew. Original. That's how we do it. That's how we do it in Jamaica. Alright. And cashew, Tania having a feast on the other side here. You know hot again, Tania?
It's hot,
warm,
but
you know,
you
but
get
not-
used to it.
Okay. Okay. But it roasts.
Yes, it's
'cause it-
roasting.
Call it oil and stuff. Alright. Cool.
If you're mashing a lot now, you still get that strip, you know. So you strip your finger. So normally I would put my hand like in a plastic bag when I'm doing
When you're
a certain
stripping them.
amount, right? Or otherwise I wear gloves, right? That you don't get your fingers stripped, because you normally would strip some of my fingers.
Is it like Clyde if you eat too much, we call it?
They have one something they do. What is this called? They used to beat it in mortar. I don't remember.
Asham?
No, asham. But me not like it, so I just love to roast it and eat it like this. And it never cried me.
Okay. But let me ask Miss Isaiah again one more question before we allow her to run off and go back to her pottery business. Is how long can you store it? I think you mentioned it, hinted at it earlier, but I just wanna.
Oh, when you do it like this,
Yeah, how long can it be
roast
stored? Yeah.
You can store for long. You can store maybe 6 months or maybe longer.
Okay.
Well, maybe those in the package have preservative. But what we do, we roast it and then we put it in something, put it in sun maybe 2 days.
Oh, it's okay.
Yes, bag it up and you send it overseas. And they have it quite a while. Never hear that it spoiled.
Okay. And I said one, but I'm tempted to ask you: is there, from your understanding, what do you get from cashew? Do you know?
Just, well, I know that it's fruit. It's nuts, like peanuts. So we eat it from youth coming up. But I can't pinpoint to you one.
Okay. What's the health benefit? Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Cashew juice you hear say it's good. You work hard. It's good for your nerves, and we do it and put our wine or jug or whatever. Give it in it and we drink it. Cause you say it's good for your nerves. So.
Okay. Nerve.
Right. The juice, you know, the cashew juice.
Okay.
Right.
Cool. All right.
Guys, I know that you love this video. This was one of the best videos that you can think of. You know, with the cashew, you remember when we went on the farm, we picked the cashews, we tasted the cashew. How was it, Mr. Yale?
Oh man, this is lovely. Lovely. Thank you so much, Tania, for having me. Thank you guys for the love and support. Thank you for tuning in to Tania and on my Island Jamaica. Awesome lady. And I just want to say thank you too for having me, my friend. And we're not done yet, right?
Oh, we're not finished with the
not done
cashew.
yet. No,
we're still eating.
We're gonna be having some cashew after.
Yes. And we also, guys, we want to thank Miss Isaiah for welcoming us here, for us to be a part of this experience. This experience was very good and I love it. Head over to my Island Jamaica YouTube channel, guys, and you can see what it is that he offers while we stay over here on Chat Jamaican with Tania. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican.
Little more.
Bye.